How to unfollow websites on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn app from your Play Store. Now open it on your Android. We are going to know that how to unfollow the websites here. Just you have to select any of the website, like I am going to select this website, and on the three dots just you have to click on it. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on it. You can see here that the four option there is an unfollow. You have to click on it. That website will be unfollowed on the LinkedIn app, and you will not get any of the notifications, any of the post about that website on your LinkedIn account. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.